Hey guys, how are you? It's Lindy and welcome to a new video. Pablo is asleep right now, so I'm just gonna pretend like I'm holding him. Today's video is going to be a special one because I'm actually making a tutorial today. This is a big shocker to me and to you probably as well. Because normally I just do whatever I want and then film it and put it on the internet. But today I'm actually going to try and teach you guys something. And in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to do your eyeliner. Because of course no one in this world has ever made a video about how to do eyeliner. Recently I've been wearing a lot of eyeliner, which I haven't worn eyeliner in years because I just couldn't figure out a way to do eyeliner for my eye shape. But I found out a way, so I've been wearing a lot of eyeliner and so many of you wanted to have a tutorial on how I do my eyeliner. So yeah, if you want to see how I do it, then please keep on watching. So before I'm going to show you guys how I do my eyeliner, I just want to quickly explain to you what hooded eyes are, because I personally have hooded eyes. They aren't extremely hooded, but they are definitely hooded. But yeah, hooded eyes are an eye shape and a lot of people have hooded eyes, but I don't know if a lot of people realize that they have hooded eyes, because all eye shapes are of course different, so that means that you have to apply your makeup different as well. So someone who has hooded eyes might apply their makeup the same way as someone who doesn't have hooded eyes, and then it makes it look a whole lot different, and in my opinion worse, or just not as good. So yeah, let me just show you guys what hooded eyes are. I'm just gonna get a little bit up close and personal. But yeah, hooded eyes basically means that this skin over here just kind of folds over your eyelid. It's such an easy explanation, but that's kind of what it is. Yeah, if I would look straight in the camera, you can see that I have a tiny bit of lid space and a fold over here. So if I would apply my makeup with my eyes closed and I put my makeup over here, and if I open my eyes, you're not gonna see it anymore because it's in the fold, you know? Hello, it is future Lindy looking gorgeous. I kind of realized while I was editing this video that I keep saying fold, but by fold I just mean crease. I don't know why I kept saying fold, but you know, I'm talking about the crease of your eye, not the fold. I mean, crease kind of is a fold as well, but you know, I'm talking about the fold. No, the crease. So if you have hooded eyes, you kind of need to work around the fold, you know, so you're actually gonna see the makeup. So yeah, that's just what I'm going to show you guys today. So the eyeliner that I use for my eyeliner is the NYX Epic Ink liner, and honestly I don't think it really matters that much what kind of eyeliner you use. I just have this one, so I just use this one. I like this one, but if you just have another one, you can just use that one as well. Honestly, it doesn't really matter that much, I think, but I would definitely recommend getting an eyeliner with a small tip, because if I would open this, you can see, oh my god, I'm such a booty YouTuber. You can see that the tip is pretty small, and that's just gonna make applying the eyeliner a lot easier, in my opinion. So yeah, definitely make sure you use a small tip eyeliner, or just use, I don't know, just use whatever you want. I'm not that strict when it comes to eyeliner. Yeah, first off, I'm going to show you guys how I used to do my eyeliner, and then I'm gonna show you guys how I do my eyeliner now, so you can also see the difference and kind of see the mistakes that I used to make. So maybe you can learn something from that. I don't know. Let's just get up close and personal again. So the way that I used to apply my eyeliner, that just didn't work out for my eye shape at all, is I used to close my eyes or just look down a little bit and then apply the eyeliner. So let's just show you guys what I did. So close to the camera, this, oh my god. But yeah, take my eyeliner, and I've got a mirror right here so I can see what I'm doing. Yeah, this is you guys. Hello. I used to close my eyes a little bit and then make a line. Of course, I always start with this line. So let's see. Such a bad line, oh my god. Okay, so I closed my eyes and then I just connected the eyeliner in here, and then I go so concentrated right now. Oh my god, it. Worst eyeliner tutorial ever. Okay, but yeah, you get the gist of it, right? So this is how I apply my eyeliner, and if I look like this, it looks kind of okay. Of course, I did a pretty bad job at applying it, but you know, you get the idea. But then, you know, if I would just open my eyes right now, it looks like this. It doesn't really make my eye look good, in my opinion. It makes it look kind of droopy, and it's kind of like, it's not really how I want it to look. And that's because I was talking about like the fold in your eye. The fold in my eye, when I open it, like the eyeliner that I put over here just like disappears in that fold, you know, you can see it right here. So it's good, and so it's bad. Good, bad, good, bad, good, bad, blah, blah, blah. Let me show you guys how I do it right now. That actually works for my eye shape. So the most important step is that instead of looking down and applying your makeup, you want to look straight forward. You want to look the way that you generally look throughout the day, you know. You don't go walk around like this on a daily basis. You walk around like this, you know. This might all sound really weird, I don't know. Doing a tutorial is just difficult for me. But yeah, let me show you guys what I do. And if you have troubles with making the tail of your liner like sharp, you can always put like a little bit of tape on there and then follow that line, you know. But I personally just like to wing it. Let's just start and show you guys what I do. It's honestly so easy. I'm looking straight forward, boop, 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 in the mirror. What I personally like to do is I like to have the line a little bit like straighter instead of like so far up. Well, this isn't very far up, but I like it to have it a little bit straighter, still angled upwards, but just not like curve it over there, you know, just like this, because that's just gonna like elongate my eyes. Because otherwise I feel like if you're gonna curve it up too much, your eye is just gonna look smaller instead of longer, and I want my eyes to look a little bit like longer, you know. But it's just personal preference. Taking the eyeliner and my eye is going to make the first line. And I'm starting it a little bit lower than the corner of my eye. So, taking my eyeliner and making the first line. Sorry, going so bad. Also, I don't have a very steady hand, so my lines are generally like pretty crusty and dusty. That I don't really care that much. So, we've got the general line, okay? And this is the most important thing. What you're gonna do is look forward and then go from the corner of the line and then work your way towards your eyes. To start from the end of the liner and then work towards, I think like 1/4 of my eye. So probably like a little bit over here, as you can see. So I don't take it all the way over my eyelid and like go from here to there. I go from there to there. So let me just show you guys how I do it. Whoa. Like this. You see? You see? You see? And then I'm going to just fill this gap in that I have over here. And again, keep my eyes open. So right now it looks like this, and if I close my eyes right now, you can see I've got this little corner thingy, edge, dent, I don't know what I'm gonna call it, but yeah, I've got this thing going on. So that's actually what you need. So don't fill that in, because if I would fill that gap in, then it's just gonna end up looking the same like this. So definitely keep this. You can make it a little bit like cleaner. You know, clean the edges a little bit. Like this. Okay, so it's looking like this. And then I'm going a little bit more inwards to my eyes, but I'm not going to align my entire lash line. So I'm taking it just a little bit in there. A tiny bit, like this. And then I do my inner corner as well, and this is kind of optional, you don't really have to do it, but I feel like if I do my inner corner as well, it's just gonna like make my eyes look even longer, and I just like how it looks more. So taking my eyeliner I'm going to fill in the inner fourth of my eye. And also very important, try to make the line as thin as possible. Because you can see right here, because this line is pretty thick, and since my eyelid space is so small, it just kind of, yeah, it just disappears in the fold as well, you know? You don't see any eyelid space anymore, you just see like a big line of black. So I like to make a really thin line and then extend it into the inner corner of my eye. Like this. And then fill it in. Like this. Oh my god. But yeah, this is how I do my eyeliner. I have like a total different eye shape on this side than I have on this side. Because here it looks like pretty like... And here it just looks like... But again, this is just a shape that I like, and if you like this shape, just go ahead and do this eyeliner, you know, it honestly doesn't matter. You can apply some mascara and then apply the lashes, and then you can like really see the difference. So yeah guys, this is how I do my eyeliner. Well, eyeliner. So yeah, as you can see, it is just super easy. Honestly, everyone can do it. The only thing is that you kind of need to know that this method exists, you know, but if you know it exists, you can just do it. And it always looks good. It honestly always looks good. And also you can make the line thicker or thinner. You can just do the exact same thing that people with non-hooded eyes do with their eyeliner. But just make sure that you keep your eyes open. Also, I just want to say that I did not come up with this method. This method already exists. I actually got it from a friend of mine. Her name is Jeanine. And I will leave her video in the description box down below because she made a tutorial as well. So yeah, I did not come up with this. This is a method that has been on this planet for a while now. But yeah! So yeah, I really hope you guys liked this tutorial. It honestly felt very weird to do a tutorial because I kind of like make it look like I know what I'm doing, and that just hasn't happened in a long time, you know? So yeah, I hope you guys like it. Also, if you decide to do this eyeliner as well and you make a picture of it and post it on Instagram, please tag me because I would honestly love to see it. And yeah, talking about Instagram, please don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. Because yeah, I would always love to expand my Instagram family. And also please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Well, that's a lot of things I'm saying at the end of the video always, but yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and I really hope to see you in my next video. Bye!